start at the back and then we'll go forward, okay? So first thing you see is this oversized big bumper here. This is the rear bumper. Then moving on, you can see we've got the plastic shocks. These ones do well enough, honestly. They do well enough, these ones. They are adjustable shocks. You can see, easily adjustable. Simply screw shocks here. Here we have the rear shock tower. It is plastic, but you can get an aluminium upgrade. If you do break them, they are very easy to, very cheap to replace and easy to fit as well. Here we've got the rear diff box. Now, moving on, all of this tray here, that goes from the front, from the front to the back. This one is metal. All of this is metal tray here, okay? Okay, so moving on here, you can see this is our ESC, electronic speed controller. Let's take a closer look at the ESC. Okay, so here is the ESC. This is a 25A or 25 amp ESC. Can handle up to 11.1 volt li-poly batteries, 4 to 9 NIMH or 2 to 3 cell LiPo. And this is programmable ESC. We have the cooling fan on the top here, which keeps this one running very cool. You can see program button is down just there. Okay, that is ESC. Next to the ESC, or the electronic speed controller, we have got the switch here. Sitting here is this very big blue with heatsink motor. This is 3650 kV brushless motor. Okay, very powerful motor this one, and powers this truck up to 40 miles per hour. Here we have the steel gears. The pinion gear is a steel one, and so is the spur gear. Looking here, we have the servo. This is a standard steering servo. The plastic adjustable shocks. We've got a steering Servo Saver there. Front diff box sits there. In the car around, you can see we've got the adjustable battery tray. Okay, this one has all the different holes here, so it's very easy to adjust if you have different size batteries. Okay, secured with clips. Battery won't go anywhere in this tray. Okay, looking down here, you can see we have metal dog bones. There is the one leading to the front, and there is the one leading to the back, going from the central gearbox there, all the way to the rear there. So looking at it from the top, you can see this is a very nice design. Actually, nothing has broken on this truck. Yesterday I was bashing it in the dirt, you can see that it's very dirty, and nothing broke at all. Okay, it just stood completely strong.